I use commercial AI models almost every single day. They do a great job, but they don't do a great job in everything. For example, document extraction does not a very good job. And let's illustrate why. So I'm going to open up a commercially available AI model and I'm going to compare it to AiCR. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a simple, what's called a 1008 or transmittal summary. It's right here. Nothing spectacular whatsoever. It's one page, has a lot of data in it. And all I wanted to do is identify what this document is, extract the data, and give me those extractions in a JSON, an Excel, and ultimately give me an image of what the bounds of all the extractions are. So let's take a look. Tell me what the document is. Extract the field labels and values. Display the results in JSON format. Allow a download of the results in Excel and display an image of the documents illustrating the boundaries of the field labels and values. It was a lot, let's tell you that. So I'm going to click on that and let it do its magic. Now, while it's doing that, I'm going to go over to AiCR. I'm going to open up my project. I'm going to upload the same exact document by just dropping it, and I'm just going to say analyze it. And while this is thinking, I'm going to go back to here and take a look at the results what we got. So, bar name is not SSN. SSN is this. That really doesn't make sense. I'll download the Excel version, but I don't see why I would want to. It's clearly completely wrong, but let's take a look. Yep, just as I expected. Really, not only it did 30 fields, it did it poorly. Okay, let's see if the image, even I told it to display it. I'll see what this is. That was very poor. Well, I was thinking, let's go back over to here. Okay, AiCR's done. Let's take a look, see what AiCR did. Here's the same document. Notice it's 1008. There's everything that it extracted. Pretty complete. There's bar information as example. There's a bar name. There's a sales price. There's a praise value, the address, etc. You can see. I mean, I can just go on and look at this stuff. Loan to values. There it is. CLTV, all this other stuff. It's the qualifying ratios. Let's take a look at that. It just grabbed it. And while we're here, let's go crazy and do the same thing. We'll export the JSON. Okay, I'm going to export the Excel. Put it here and let's look at AiCR's Excel. Wow, pretty different, don't you think? It looks a lot different to me. Not only it has all the fields that I would expect to see, it has the right values. It tells me what the field value is and the confidence score of the value. And there's 162 of them compared to 32 incorrect ones that the other AI model did. But now just imagine this is one document. That's it. What happens if you have 300 loans and each loan has 1,000 pages in it? So you're looking at hundreds of thousands of pages. Are you going to do this? Of course not. It's ridiculous. AiCR, you just load it in there, does what it's doing, and you call it a day. The commercial AI models are great for a lot of good things. I use them every day. But for document extraction, reasonable process flow, AiCR is the way to go. Use AiCR. But don't believe what I'm saying. Give me a call. I'll show you exactly what it is using your data.